Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share your screen in a Zoom meeting. So if that sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now to share your screen during a Zoom meeting, you can either go directly and share your screen only before you start a meeting. You can click on share screen only. This way you can directly share your screen without you having to open up your video. Or if you want to share your screen during an ongoing meeting, what you can do is click on start a meeting with or without your video camera on. Now when you're in a meeting, you can click on share screen located on the bottom middle, and you can choose any of these screens. You can also choose a whiteboard, share your multiple screen which you have currently open. After you choose a screen, you can click on share. Now as you can see, my screen has started to share with other members of the Zoom meeting. And when you're done, you can click on stop share. So that's how you can share your screen while in a Zoom meeting. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.